What day is today? May 7 is a vibrant mix of world travel, chic cocktails, and the unsung heroes of design. Let's jump in. First up, we are celebrating National Tourism Day. This is all about recognizing how travel bridges cultures and fuels our global economy. Whether you're a world traveler or a local explorer, today is the perfect time to appreciate the beauty of discovery and the industry that makes it possible. Next, it's National Cosmopolitan Day, so grab a shaker and mix up that iconic, tart, and stylish pink cocktail. Then, we have National Paste Up Day, honoring the classic, manual era of graphic design before computers changed everything. We also recognize National Packaging Design Day, which toasts the creative minds who make every product we unbox look like a work of art. Finally, we're carving into National Roast Leg of Lamb Day. This dish has been a sophisticated centerpiece for family feasts for generations. Whether you prefer yours seasoned with simple herbs or a bold garlic rub, today is the day to master this succulent roast and gather everyone around the table for a truly classic meal.